Hi, it's FLX Gail, and today we are having fun in the Finger Lakes at the Grape Festival here in Naples, New York. Welcome to the quaint village of Naples, located 3 miles south of Canandaigua Lake and nestled amongst these beautiful hills and walking trails. There's actually a walking trail map that you can pick up just around the village. Or use the QR code to explore the path to grapeness. There's also a map placard downtown to help you explore the shopping, the eateries, and the lodging. So here we are. Let's go and have some fun in the Finger Lakes and figure out why they love Naples, New York. So welcome to Naples Grape Festival 2023, some friendly neighbors, and it's time to explore the grape pie capital of New York. As you enter the village from the south side, there's a beam that was recovered from the World Trade Center. Continuing north, we are into the village and heading to the crafts and food truck. We are crushing the fall. That is adorable, isn't it? That's adorable. This cute storefront belongs to a brewery, one grape at a time, and here's their PB&J recipe. Shake or stir, pour and enjoy. And grape-colored fire hydrants, of course. It's Naples. So here we are at the downtown area. You'll see there's little shops and they're starting to grill up for lunch. Social street food menu. There's tacos and Italian sausage. Pretty good fare for here. And there's the band waiting to set up at the Naples Hotel, a rocking place later today. Great fish fry Friday, prime rib, brunch on Sunday. This is the local fare and a lot of fun. Festival or not, there's always gifts available at the Artisan shop. Want a cold one? Right here at Naples Brewing Company, and across the street, local Italian fare at Luigi's. As we pass by the Neapolitan Pizzeria, and here we are in the heart of the festival by the downtown park area, ready to shop and eat. We took the first left past the downtown where the food truck is, along with more crafts. Take a look. Want some authentic Western New York beef on wick? Love red osier. Gotta stop by for some of that. And it wouldn't be the Grape Festival without everything grape, including custard. We passed by fudge and honey. Something for everyone. Greek, Italian, and good old fried. Stem and leaf. Vibrant living. Look at these ladies in her vibrant grape. Hi ladies. All of the sauce. Rosa, the butternut squash, and the pumpkin. You have to get it now because it's seasonal. We love googly almonds. More grape, including the kettle corn. Yum. Past the food entry is Naples School. Shout out to them for always family-friendly, kid-friendly events, including Pius Senior this year and a petting zoo. Less shops, but still things to do before crossing over, like Hazlitt Winery and Firehouse Brewery at the end. But that's a vlog for another day. Now some wine tasting, some music, and spookiness. Ooh. And even more fall fare. Of course, fun in the Finger Lakes with funnel cakes. Some thrift shopping and yum, pie. Boy Scout fundraising. More woodworking, craftsmanship, and maple syrup. This festival is jam-packed, and it's free, brought to you by the Rotary. Use the QR code to explore more. Post and share, especially as a grapevine. Speaking of grapevines, it wouldn't be a festival in the Finger Lakes if you didn't have a wine tasting area, and here we are. The wine tasting is an extra $20 ticketed event, and you can leave your bottle that you purchased to pick up later. And now, some time to listen to the band.
In that dusty chair, smell of the whiskey fills the air. The travel's good to gone.
And look at that bounty. We even had some roasted corn on our way on. It was delicious. Heading past the festival, you'll see a few more downtown businesses, including FLX Music. Speaking of music, Naples Hotel's rockin'. And now off to Joseph's Wayside Market, a must-stop on your way out. Seasonal plants, produce, and craftsmanship. You can't go wrong here, and a must-stop, as I said. You can smell the fresh corn, the apples, and even the pies right fresh from the oven. And more, like apple cider donuts, Concord grape donuts, and even pumpkin cream. And jams, jellies, and mores, and even a Finger Lakes wine gift shop in the back. Well, we're heading out enjoying some fall foliage. I hope you had fun in the Finger Lakes with me today. See you soon.